So this is what we're going to be installing today. A new replacement step pad. Let's fire it up, baby. If you're a visual learner like me, smash that subscribe button. I got more stuff coming for you. Hello everyone, and welcome to Big Daddy's house. My name's Adam. Today what we're going to do is less of a mod and more like a repair. I tried to shoot this video the other day, but it started to rain like crazy. So, of course I didn't shoot it, because I'm sure you don't want to see a fat man in a wet t-shirt contest. So, somehow the end caps to my step rails fell off. Yeah, right, fell off. Anyway, so if you have the OEM MOPAR Step Rails, these caps, for me, for some reason, was not very easy to find. I don't know, I've been searching for a while. And then somehow all of a sudden I just happened to find these on Amazon. Pretty excited about that. The step pad I have on the driver's side is cracked pretty badly here and up in here. So I got this on Amazon too. I'll leave links in my description for you guys if you guys want to find this stuff. But I thought, well, if I'm already replacing this, might as well replace this too. Now, this can be done with just a screwdriver, but power tools are more fun. This is just a 1/4-inch driver. A rubber mallet is ideal if you can't slam it in with your hand. I'm having a little trouble slamming it in with my hand. But unfortunately, I can't find my rubber mallet. So, improvise. I just put some duct tape. See that right there? Some duct tape on my sledgehammer just to keep it from scratching it. You don't need to hit it that hard either. And then insert the screw. There we go. Perfect. Halfway there. Holy mackerel. I gotta figure out a way to start doing inside videos. Remove the old screw. Now, I didn't show you on the last one, but this portion right here is the down side. So when you insert this, to make sure you got the right one on the right side, make sure that the big part, obviously here, it's on this side, and then this is down, like that. And then hammer evenly around it. And now, put the screw in. Now onto the step pad. Ooh, it's hot today. I'm breathing like an animal. Okay, so the step pad is a little easier to remove. Well, not as easy as my end caps since they were already missing. These don't have any screws. It just pops right out. See what I was talking about? Destroyed. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. That's 5 years worth of filth. All right, MOPAR baby, brand new, nice and shiny. That means I'm gonna have to take the bird poop off of this one and clean up my other ones. But you just line it up with the holes and you push down. Start from the center, work out. Nice. Whew. Holy mackerel, it's too hot to be doing stuff like this out in the heat. I know it was just a short little video, but I hope some of you found it informational. Consider smashing that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. These will come with the screws too, just in case your screws didn't fall out. Mine didn't fall out, just the cap for some reason. Oh, not just one cap, both caps.